In this video, I will show you how to add Claude AI to Xcode. First, you will open a project on Xcode. You can see I have a demo project here. If you want to add Claude to this Xcode, here you can see the AI icon. Click here. You can see this is pen icon. Click here, and from here you can choose your agent. Okay. If you want to use Claude agent, you will have the option here. You can just go with Codex to Gemini. Okay. I will go with Claude agent. And now you can see, so from here under this intelligence, you will have to click get now install it. You can see it's downloading Cloud Agent. Takes few seconds to complete the process. You can see it's downloaded. And when it's downloaded, at first you will have to sign into your account. So click here, sign in with your Cloud AI account. Okay, continue. Now you will log into your Claude account, then authorize it. Now your Claude account is connected to this Xcode and you can use AI directly from here. So you can see right now you are using Claude agents. You can just say hi and you can see it's generated. You can just try to build a new app feature or try to analyze your code or something like this. Okay, let me try to analyze my code base. We'll say my code base. And if I just send this prompt, you can see it's thinking, calling tools, and thinking again, reads files. And here is the summary. Okay, it's perfectly working. So I hope you can just use Claude agent directly inside Xcode right now by following this way.